Bonsoir Alison, j'espère que tu vas bien. Voici le résumé du cours du... C'était quand? C'était hier, jeudi 18 juin. Alors voilà, est-ce que tu prends ton petit déjeuner? So when I called you, I thought you were taking your breakfast. That's why I was asking you. Est-ce que tu prends ton petit déjeuner? Are you having a breakfast? Qu'est-ce que tu manges pour le petit déjeuner? What do you eat for breakfast? Je mange une barre protéinée. Je mange une barre protéinée. Un protein bar. Alors, imagine que tu es à Saint-Barth. So imagine you're on Saint-Barth. Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais manger pour le petit déjeuner? What would you like to eat for breakfast? Je voudrais un citron pressé. I would like, it's like a freshly squeezed lemon. Or, I can say also, du jus de citron frais. Du jus de citron frais. Frais is fresh. Fresh lemon juice. Du jus d'orange frais, fresh orange juice. Un thé noir, a black tea. Une bouteille d'eau, a bottle of water. Or you can also say une eau minérale. You can also give the name, un Vittel, une Evian. For the kids, un chocolat chaud, a hot cocoa. Un café, so it can be a café noir, café au lait, latte. Un café crème. So it can be different everywhere, and sometimes they use this kind of a small creamy container, half and half, or it can be milk, but you have to specify. Je voudrais du lait. Je voudrais du lait. Lait is L-A-I-T, L-A-I-T, which is milk. So un thé, une infusion, une tisane, herbal tea. Une omelette. Well, scrambled eggs can be an omelette, with bacon, cheese, whatever. But scrambled eggs, the real translation is une omelette, des œufs brouillés, sorry. Des œufs brouillés. Brouillé is scrambled. I can also say une omelette nature. Okay? I can also say des œufs à la coque. It's like semi-hard-boiled eggs and you dip some bread inside. So you cut the top of the egg and you kind of eat the inside with a spoon and with bread. L'apéro, l'apéritif. So some people, they don't want to eat a heavy meal, especially if it's very hot. So they're gonna just eat cheese, sausage, salami, some bread, and a glass of wine, or two, or three. So du fromage, du salami, du saucisson, un verre de blanc, so a glass of wine. But I would recommend to specify what you want. Okay. Un verre de champagne, un verre de sauvignon, un verre de chardonnay. Okay. There's a very, very simple sandwich. It's called un jambon beurre. It's sandwiched baguette, butter, and ham inside. Good quality ham. So un jambon beurre. Une salade verte, a green salad. Une vinaigrette. Vinaigrette is like this kind of a salad dressing. So usually we have olive oil, or any kind of oil, de l'huile, vinegar, du vinaigre, balsamique, apple cider, du jus de citron. So it can either be vinegar, lemon juice, or it can also be mustard. So it's up to you. You make the salad dressing the way you want, the way you like. Du sel, salt et du poivre, black pepper. So la nourriture épicée, spicy food. So the French are not used to this stuff. They don't know what is spicy. So I cannot really eat spicy anymore because my stomach's gonna just kill me. I was not too long sick for like 2 weeks, so I cannot deal with that anymore. C'est trop chaud. You can also complain like the French and be like, c'est trop chaud, it's too hot. C'est trop froid, it's too cold. Ma viande est froide. My meat is cold. Mon steak est froid. My steak is cold. Le riz est trop cuit. The rice is overcooked. Le riz n'est pas assez cuit. The rice is undercooked. Not cooked enough, undercooked. So if something is dirty or est sale, we can say la fourchette est sale, dirty. Le couteau, the knife est sale. La cuillère, the spoon, est sale. L'assiette, the plate. Le verre, the glass. Et une serviette, serviette can be a towel. But j'ai besoin d'une autre serviette can also be napkin. Of course, we're not going to say a towel if it's on the table. We're going to eat. Or if you're having a dinner or lunch, we don't really serve, we don't give towels. Okay, it's going to be napkins in English. So, but I can say une serviette. Je voudrais une autre serviette, s'il vous plaît. Paper napkin, you can say une serviette en papier. J'ai besoin d'un autre verre. I need another glass. You can say le verre est sale, hein, the glass is dirty, or you just want another glass of wine. Okay. Je voudrais une autre. So j'ai besoin de, I need, but I can also say je voudrais une autre salade. I'd like another salad. Je voudrais un autre verre de vin. Another glass of wine. It's the other one. C'est l'autre. The other one, l'autre. Donc, je te vois dans 2 semaines, d'accord, à 10h. À très bientôt, Alison. Bye bye.